Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine turning your long videos into viral short clips in minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today I'm going to show you how to create captivating short videos and reels from your existing content using AI. Now, no advanced editing skills is required, and I'll also be using some amazing AI tools that make the whole process quick and accessible, even if you're a complete beginner. So from selecting the best clips to adding transitions and effects, and finally sharing your new creations, I'm going to be covering it all in this video. So if you're ready to enhance your content strategy and reach more viewers with eye-catching short videos, why don't you hit the like button and then subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So the first tool I'll be using in this tutorial is Shareable. Essentially, Shareable is a tool that helps you turn your YouTube videos or your long-form content into viral shorts with AI. Now, it's the simplest of all AI short editors, and it helps creators like myself and businesses make captivating short clips faster than ever. The other tool I'll be using, which is kind of optional, is Pixabay. And I've used Pixabay a lot on this channel already. Pixabay essentially is a platform that provides stunning and royalty-free stock. So essentially, if you're a creator like myself and you'd want to get some free images for your videos or for your content in general, then you could basically go to Pixabay, because all the photos are high quality, the videos are high quality, and they're free as well. Anyways, let's dive right in. So the first step is to go to shareable.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so that it's very easy to navigate. But essentially, go to shareable.com and then you create an account. So you can either just create an account with your email address, or if you have a Gmail account, you can just basically sign up with Gmail. So I'm just going to sign up straight with Gmail. And then once you sign up, it's going to ask you some few questions that you need to provide answers to. So the first one is going to ask you about what your intended use for Shareable is. So I'm just going to choose personal, and then what type of content do you create? I'm going to say others, and then how did you learn about us? I'm probably just going to say YouTube, because if you're just learning about Shareable from my YouTube video, then you can just choose YouTube. And what is the source of your content? So I'm just going to say my own content. I mean, you could choose other things as well. Let's say you want to join clips from other YouTubers' content, or other content, or if you have content from your customers or from another company, you might want to choose what's more appropriate for the source of your content. And then you can include your YouTube channel link in here, and that's optional. So I'm probably going to include my YouTube channel link, which is Lenny in Tech, and then you click submit. The good thing about Shareable is the fact that they have a free version, and the free version gives you 60 minutes credits. So you see a one-time 60 minutes credit. So essentially, if you have 10 6-minute videos, it means that you'll be able to sort of like have a lot of short-form content without even having to upgrade to the Pro plan. If you wanted to get a Pro plan, then you're going to get 70% off with a yearly bill. So basically, rather than having to pay monthly, you can just pay yearly, and then that way you're gonna just be paying $9 a month, and you're gonna be paying about $108 a year, and that gives you about 3,600 minutes of credits every year, and then you get access to different templates as well. So we're just gonna go with a free version. Just gonna skip here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So in order to start creating short form content, the first step for you to do is to select the video on YouTube, the video with which you want to create a short form content for. So I'm just gonna go back to my YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna select my latest video basically. So I'm just gonna copy the URL to my latest video, and then I'm gonna paste it in here. Now what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, there are different templates you can choose from. So they have the karaoke, they have Mr. Beast, simple. I mean, some of these templates are sort of like in the premium version. So if you are using the free version like I'm using right now, where you just want to choose as the karaoke one, you can sort of decide on which of these shots you prefer. So whether you're looking for a 30-second short video, or you want something that's less than 30 seconds, or you want something that is 60 to 90 seconds, you have the flexibility to decide exactly how many seconds you want your video to be. As you can see, there are a number of video types that it supports. So you just have to make sure that your video is under one of these supported formats. Now, the next step is to click on Get Shot. I always say about AI, it does take a while to generate, but the good thing about Assemble is that once it's done generating, it's going to send you an email in your inbox so that you can basically come check it out. So you could sort of like navigate to a different page, or keep writing your content, or still do something else while you wait for it to generate and analyze your videos. The reason why it takes this amount of time is that, when it comes to videos, there are certain parts of your videos that would be more appealing to your audience than other parts of your video. So basically what this does is that it analyzes the entirety of your video and then selects which areas in your videos that would be more appealing to your customers or to your viewers, and then create shots out of those videos. So you would have to wait, but worthwhile. Okay, so I just got notified that it's ready. So I'm just gonna go into my email. And as you can see, an email has been sent to me saying that my clips are ready. I can either go back to the page, or I can just click on view clips and it'll take me back to the page. So I'm just going to go back to the page. As you can see, there are some scores in here. So this is, for instance, a score of 80, a score of 75, a score of 78. It's just telling you how well this video would do, or how well each of these clips will do when you post them. A score of 80 is basically telling me that this particular clip will be more appealing to my viewers if I go with this one. So right off the bat, I can basically click on download, or I can decide to edit it. As you can see, we also already have the title for the shots, and it's also given a description to use for the shots, which I think is really cool. So let's play this output and see how it looks like. Lenny, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to show you how to create 100 Instagram posts in just 5 minutes using AI. And by the end of this video, you would know how to keep your Instagram account active and engaging with just a minimal effort. And before I start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would encourage you to do so. And also turn on the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post out new content. Okay, so as it stands now, I actually love what I'm seeing. I like the fact that it's just 30 seconds and it can serve as a mini advertisement for my YouTube, my long form video, and I could basically just save this and upload to YouTube and then just link it to my long form video, which I uploaded last week. The other thing you can decide to do, let's say you wanted to change the text, you could basically go to styles and select what you want. So basically I can change it to this font type, or I could change it to this one. Let's say I'm just gonna keep it as this, and then I could also include any uploads, and this is where Pixabay comes in. Let's say I wanted to include a new photo or a new video in certain parts of my clip. Basically all I have to do is to go to Pixabay and then download the video I want. And then it would basically, let's say I just want to download, let's say someone browsing social media. So social media, I'll just say social media. And then I'm just going to select, instead of an image, I'm probably just going to do video. So you know what, I'm just going to say Instagram. Actually, you know what, I like this clip here. I'm just going to download this clip. And what I'm going to do next is come in here and then I'm going to upload the file. Then I'm just going to include it here. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. But I mean, if you wanted to, it's something that you can do as well. Then, you can split it. So I'm just splitting this one. Then go back to the select tool and delete it. I'm just adding it here just to add another layer of interaction, which essentially is adding a video to an already existing feed. You don't need to do it if you're comfortable with the output you get from using symbol. Yeah, and other things like you could edit this text so it says something else. You could add audios of your choice. There's so much you can do in here. Then you can add as much editing as possible, but the main reason for using symbol is to just generate a short clip from a long form video. So I don't think you'd want to go an extra mile to do additional edits. If you want to do additional edits, that's fine, and that's really up to you. But yeah, this is how it came out. I'm just gonna click on save and compile, and then it will take you back to the page where you have your YouTube video. So it's gonna compile and then give us the final outcome. So now that it's done compiling, what you just have to do is to click on the download button, and then you can now upload this onto your YouTube channel. Like I said, you already have your titles ready, you already have your description ready to go. So all you have to do is to go on YouTube and then upload the shot. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I also have another tutorial on how to create 100 social media posts in just 5 minutes using AI. I'm going to leave it on the screen so that you can go check it out. But thank you for watching. See you in the next one.